When you are posting a video on YouTube, it can be super hard and super frustrating to understand why didn't this video perform well and why did my last video perform well. Don't you worry, in this video I will try my best to get you to get more views and in general more views on all of your next videos. If you're new here, welcome, my name is Espion, I am a video producer with over a decade of experience. I have also been helping out bigger YouTube channels and I will try my best today to help you guys to get more views on your videos. In order for you to get more views on your videos, there are simply 3 steps that we're going to talk about today, and the first one is branding. The overall branding of your YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel name? How does the banner look on your channel? Do you have anything recognizable with your thumbnails? And if you are able to, look at your channel, look at your thumbnails and see if there are some sort of red thread, something that the viewers can find recognizable. Do not have a logo on every single thumbnail. I've seen that so many times. If you're able to use your face, if you're not able to, that's fine. A YouTube thumbnail with a face, without a face, it doesn't really matter. The most important part is that it's recognizable. But if you're able to use some color, use some sort of text, in the future, I will try my best to make a dedicated video to YouTube thumbnails. But in the short term, it's really important with a clear text. It's really important with a defined background, and make sure that the text color and the background color doesn't really collide. And if you're able to zoom out, look at your thumbnail from afar, and if you're still able to understand what is this video about, combining with the title of the video, then you most likely have a successful click. And like I've said so many times, it doesn't matter if your video is great if no one clicks that video. So your overall branding, your overall recognition, like with Coca-Cola, like with Oreo, in your mind, when I said Oreo, you will probably have the cookie, you will probably have the blue color, and the Oreo font. It's super famous at this point. And the same with Coca-Cola. That red color is so recognizable. I don't need you to spend a lot of time on your banner and your thumbnails and stuff like that in order to just overthink it. But the next time you are making your video, try to make your thumbnail first and try to understand, okay, if I make this thumbnail, would someone click this thumbnail? The second thing that we're going to talk about is watch time. YouTube wants their audience to stay on the website for longer, so if you are able to provide a really good video with a clear hook and a clear intro, today we're gonna visit the new mountain, and that's related to your thumbnail, then people will stay for even longer. But if you have something completely different in your thumbnail, people will drop off. We need to make sure that people are watching. And if you're making good videos, make playlists. People will click on your playlist and they will watch your first video and your second video, and then YouTube will understand, okay, someone is interested in this, maybe we should show this video to more people. I've already talked about this in my last video where I talked about the YouTube algorithm, but the same thing happens when you need to get views to your channel. You need people to watch your videos from start to finish and ideally watch more than just one video. Step number 3, returning viewers. YouTube values their audience super high. They want to give them more ads. So in order to give them more ads, they want the viewers to get better and better experiences. And if your videos are a good experience, they will try their best to show that viewer one more of your video. And if that interest is lacking in that viewer's mind, they will drop off and watch something else. The worst case scenario is that they exit out YouTube and go on Netflix or simply go outside, and YouTube will lose money. So that is why returning viewers are super important, both for YouTube and for your channel. YouTube will like to push your videos for the same audience over and over again because they enjoyed your last video. If they don't return, they skip out. YouTube says to themselves, okay, this channel has either changed or the quality is lacking, so we won't show your videos to the audience anymore. So in order for you to get good returning viewers, you need to remind them to subscribe. So if you are able to subscribe, and here's a secret trick, the end screen. Here is where you are able to grab the viewer's attention. If you end off your video with like, okay, so that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed to make this video. It was super hard. If you're able to, please subscribe. The viewers are already gone. As soon as you did, gone. So if you're able to, you should watch this video up next where I talk about the YouTube algorithm. That's the trick. See you guys in the next one. Subscribe. Espion. Peace out. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye bye bye.